Hello, thanks for joining us here. Today now we're going to be having a look at do a bit of unboxing. We've got some nice order in today from one of our suppliers, so we're going to go through the boxes and see what we have. Some are existing products and also some new products there to show you. So to start off with, we have, this is for the GL1800. It's the belly pan. So it comes in two pieces. Now this now will be one of our new products from a new supplier. So it just basically bolts on there like that, and that's your belly pan. Now it is made of a good sturdy steel, it's very strong. It's probably stronger than the existing ones that we've had in stock. So that's that item. That's for the GL1800 belly pan. Next, this is a heavy one. This is the tow bar for the GL1800 from 01 to 2017. Since add-on accessories closed down, they've been scarce supply, so we've been trying to find a new supplier. So this again is a new product for us. So you have in here, as you can imagine, all your bits and pieces as you need them. That's the tongue for it. Bars. And we should have a back plate here somewhere. Bolts. And we have the back plate for the back to bike. So you basically should have it just that, but that's basically the tow bar for the GL1800. Next we'll have down there. These now would be mostly for the GL1500. No. Right. Okay. These are Ring of Fire. These are for the GL1800. We got a couple of those. There. We have the rotor covers. These would be for the GL1800. You have your brackets, bolts and stuff, and the disc cover. And there are the disc covers. Okay, that's that box. Get the next one. Okay, what we have here now would be I think these are carburetor covers. Yeah. Carburetor covers for the GL1800. A few of them there. Yep, 4 of them. We have, these are the ring of fire for the 1500. That's those. Again, we have a few of them. Here's a fender extension for a 1500. That's the chrome and black. That's the chrome and black fender extension and your nuts and bolts. And it's that one, 2 or 3 of them. See, this is another fender extension again for the 1500, and that would be a chrome one. I think, yeah. So that's the chrome one. And it also has your nuts and bolts in there. And we have, and 118, that one again. Let's see. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, mirror piece for the 1500 up at the top of the mirror. Those. Cornery light grills for the 1500. I think these are chrome side covers. Yeah. Chrome side covers. Chrome side covers again for the 1500. Those ones. And I think that's the lot from today's ones. I think we already used this. It's the one, that's the chrome one. So that's our delivery from today, this new stock that we've got in, the new items, plus some new stock in for the GL1800s, which are in short supply. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll join us again the next time. And it's goodbye from Paul, and I'll talk to you on the next video.